51 days after slamming into the Key Bridge in Baltimore, the U.S. Coast Guard tells lawmakers the Dali cargo ship is on track to leave the port of Baltimore in a matter of days.
Unified Command believes that the Dali will be able to be refloated and removed from that site early next week.
The update coming as the House Committee on Transportation and Infrastructure heard from several government officials Wednesday testifying about the federal response to March's collapse. Monday, crews conducted a controlled demolition to break down the largest remaining span of the bridge.
2028, 2029, it'll be a progressive design build, so we'll figure out the schedule.
Lawmakers are now considering how much to allocate to fund the president's request to rebuild the bridge.
Your nation has your back.
But the total price tag still remains unclear.
My constituents are not wanting to pay for this.
Tuesday, the NTSB released a 24-page preliminary report detailing investigators' early findings on the collision. It found the Dali was just 3 ship lengths away from the bridge when it suffered a pair of electrical failures, causing several pumps to stop working. And while the generator did activate, it was not configured to power the ship. The report also found the Dali had experienced 2 blackouts a day earlier, before leaving the port.
The crew regained electrical power right before the Dali struck Pier 17, but they were unable to restore propulsion.
The NTSB report did not conclude a probable cause. Those findings are expected to be part of a final report that may not be completed for up to 2 years. In New York, Anna Eliopoulos, Fox News.